The paper plane hat and tee that I just ordered. Let's take a look and see what we got. Papers and more paperwork, personal info. Alright, okay. Paper plane me, please. Hey. Got it in the Cypress green with a tee to match. Let's check it out. Okay, let's check out this new pickup. Rock Nation crown, Cypress green, old school snapback. Got the new era logo right there. New era sticker, got the plane. Got the official pin right there. You gotta have that dream job. Got the tag. New era, of course. Make sure he official, of course. Paper plane Rock Nation. Definitely excited about this one. I copped this hat as soon as they dropped it on the site. Like, wasted no time. I would have liked to fit it, but I'm gonna run with the snapback, you know. Rocking with it. And I also picked up the Cypress green tee right here. This is the warning tee. They come in 3 different other colors, but I just cropped the green to kind of match the hat. They're a little shades off, but cool shirt. It's very cool. Definitely a fall color. Shirt do fit true to size, so you gotta worry about sizing up or sizing down. Get that size you want. Got the official tag on there too. Paper planes. Definitely geek about this. These are my first 2 purchases from them. The shirt was $45 and the hat was also $45. You know, spend $75 or more, you get free shipping. So definitely geeked about that. There you go. All right, y'all, let me know what y'all think. More videos to come.